Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am your teacher Dr. Irfan Ali with a new practical of the course Post Harvest Horticulture, that is HORT 508. Dear student, we were talking about the maturity indices of the fruit, and one of them was the color or visual observations. Color can also be measured, or you can say that estimated from visual observation, but there are always chances of some error. So in lab we can use an equipment to measure the exact readings of color. The equipment that is used for it is called as chromometer. Here you can see that chromometer. This machine is or device is called as chromometer, which is used to measure the color of the fruit or vegetables. It has a power button. First of all, you have to switch it on. It's just getting started. So now what we will do, we will first of all, if you focus it here, you will see that there is a calibration button. Just a minute. And the stage on which it is placed, this is called as calibration plate or calibration tile. So it is just for the sake of calibration. Now we just put pressure on calibration button and press this button and place it on calibration tile. It will blink 3 times and give you the calibrated equipment. Now it is calibrated. Now it is ready to be used for the fruit. But first of all, we will have to show you that it gives 3 readings basically. L, you can say that L, A and B. These are 3 readings that chromometer provides us. The meaning of L is lightness. More the reading or more the value, the fruit is brighter, and lesser the value, the fruit will be darker. Then is A. A reading is from green to yellow. When the reading is less, mean the fruit or vegetable is more green, and when it rises, the reading will be more towards yellow. The third one is B value, that is blue to red. Higher the value of B, the redder will be the fruit. Now we will check how to measure the color of the fruit. First of all, you can see that this is a part of chromometer that is joined with this so that the lens may not touch the fruit. You can see that. Now we will check the color of the fruit. Just place it on the fruit and press this button, and it will show the reading. You can see that lightness or L value, A value and B value. Now we will take the reading of other side of the fruit. As I have mentioned in the previous practical, that the both sides may vary because of the presence of sunlight on the one side as compared to the other side. So we will take the reading of the second side in this way, and you can see the difference in the readings. So we will calculate the average of the readings of the both sides, and then we will calculate the exact reading. In this way we can calculate the exact color of the food not only at the time of harvest but during storage.